These are felony crimes in New York State, no matter who you are.
And the Manhattan District Attorney alleges those crimes are 34 counts of falsifying business records, 34 checks or invoices, part of a catch-and-kill scheme to buy people off and bury negative stories in the run-up to the 2016 election, including the case of porn star Stormy Daniels, Trump's own doorman who said he had an incriminating story, and suppressing other stories with the help of the National Enquirer.
There's going to be some questions as to why it's being brought now. Is it because the election cycle is coming up? Or did something new come to light that they feel stronger about the case now than they did in years past?
Former federal prosecutor Aaron Wiley says he doesn't necessarily believe the Manhattan DA has a strong case, but this could end up in the hands of a New York jury.
If you're able to put forth a coherent, although not great case, they can still decide that they want to convict. If a prosecutor and a judge and potentially a jury agree that it's a crime, it is a crime until a higher court says it's not.
As a defense attorney, I'm advising my client, look, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. We're in it for the long haul.
A long haul in court that is already part of the 2024 election cycle. But Fort Worth attorney Benson Varghese says he trusts the process, high-profile defendant or not.
Judges know they're going to be remembered for this case. So these days more than any, it is so important to be fair. And I trust that process.
In this case, an historic process, one the country has never seen before. In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reece.
Back out here with Jason Whiteley. How long before this case could go to trial?
Well, the state wants to put this in trial in January of next year. Remember, the Iowa caucuses is in February, the end of February, 1st of March. So he could be in the middle of trial as the very first votes are cast in the 2024 presidential election. Pre-trial hearings will happen in December. Lots of other hearings will happen between now and then.
Yeah, but then again, I think there's like 600 days until the election.
A lot
can happen between now and then. And just a reminder, former President Trump is expected to speak for the first time since his arraignment about an hour from now in Mar-a-Lago. And we'll be covering all the developments on air and online at WFAA.com.